All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to talk my Tesla Model Y that I ordered back in August 2021, my delivery update. Time frame has been changed by Tesla. Now, I usually don't check it that often. Usually once or twice a week when I'm on the Tesla app, I'll check it because I have a Model S. And so sometimes when I'm on there, I'll just check my Model Y delivery. So usually when I'm not that close to my estimated delivery time frame, I usually don't check it. But as it gets closer, I'll sometimes check it to monitor it to see how far in the future it's going to be pushed or delayed. And I got another update. So previously, my update, my time frame was like April 19th to May 17th. So kind of almost about a month time frame. So right now we're April 12th, and it was changed, as of today, it was changed from April 22nd, so pushed a few days into the future, to May 6th. So it was actually shortened on the back end. So I'm wondering, guys, so Tesla just did their Cyber Rodeo big event at their Tesla factory in Texas. It's been opened. Now they're probably producing vehicles out of that factory, which is great news for us reservation holders waiting for these Model Ys and 3s and so forth. So I don't know what to think of it. I've gotten to the point where I'm just not getting excited. I'm not preparing to take delivery of it. I've gotten close to a delivery time frame before, and it's always turned out to the point where they just have pushed it out. I haven't gotten it. So I'm not going to hold my breath. I'm not getting my Tesla jacket and my driving shoes and driving gloves on right now because I'm expecting a delay into summer. That's what I'm expecting. But I hope Tesla surprises me. I hope I can update the video and make a new video and say, hey, I got my VIN number. I'm going to go pick it up. I hope that happens soon, but I'm not hopeful. It seems weird that Tesla does this where I've been getting estimated delivery time frames since December 2021, and now we're in middle of April 2022. And so for the last almost 4.5, 5 months, I've just really been kind of teased with the dates, and then they've gone pushed out. I've gotten closer, and then they've gotten to a smaller window, and then it's gotten pushed out. So I guess we'll see what happens. But so anyways, so my new time frame is April 22nd to May 6th. So, it's probably a couple week, 2-3 week window of time. Hope I take delivery of it. Leave down below in the comments what your estimated deliveries are, how many times yours have been delayed. I'm hoping the delays are kind of over. Now that Tesla has another factory pumping these things out here in the US, maybe we'll start seeing some action. At this point, I would even take the older version, the 2170 battery version of the Model Y. And I'm assuming, because I live in Utah, I'm assuming that's what my Model Y is going to be. It's going to be from the Fremont factory. It's going to have the older battery style, the 2170 cells, because I did the long range. I've heard that the Tesla factory in Texas is for those deliveries kind of east of Texas. And the California plant's going to supply kind of more of the western region. And so I feel like I'm kind of in the western region. And since I'm in northern Utah, it's really just kind of a straight shot across northern California, across northern Nevada to where I'm at. So I'm thinking that my car is probably going to come from California. I was hoping I get a Texas one. I'd like to get the newer battery, the 4680 batteries, the structural pack, some updates that includes. But I'm not hopeful. I'm not even hopeful to get the car soon. So anyways, guys, that's kind of the update on the car. Stay tuned for more updates on this, and if I get a VIN number, I'll let you guys know. But leave down in the comments below what your situation is with your order on your Tesla. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.